Let's take a look at problem number 3. And I've got my tablet up and running. Yep, looks like. So let me bring it up. Then we got our empirical, our bell shape that we're going to use on this. Now right here in the middle is our mean. And they tell us the mean is 300. And then going one on this side and one on this side, what we're going to do is we're going to add the standard deviation. So our standard deviation is 25. So 300 plus 25 gives us 325. Now over here we'll subtract 25. So again, we're going to add 25 here, we'll subtract 25 there. And that gives us 275. Now going another standard deviation over, we're going to take the previous value, which is 325, and we'll add another 25. So that gives us 350. And another one over, we add another 25, which would give us 375. So you keep adding the standard deviation over and over. Now on this side, we have 275 here. We subtract the standard deviation, that gives us 250. And we subtract it again, and that gives us our 225. Now this is the diagram you have to have in front of you when you're working this. These right here both have 34% in them. Now that's just not for one problem, that's always for the empirical rule. So those would be 34%. Our next one's over are 13.5%. So that'd be 13.5% and 13.5%. The next ones are 2.35%. And this is symmetric, so you know, as this is 2.35, this has to be 2.35. And then our last one is 0.15. And then this would be 0.15%. Okay, so we got our picture. Now A says about 95% of kidney pairs will be between what weights? Well, 95% is you take your mean, which is the middle, and you go 2 standard deviations on both sides. So that would go from, okay, here I'm in the middle, 1, 2, so that goes from 250, and then I go 2 this way, and that'd give me 350. So that'd be my answer to A. Now B. What percentage of kidney pairs weigh between 275 and 375? 275. Here's 275. And 375. So we're looking at this range right here. So I'm going to add together this percentage, this one, and this one. So I got 34% plus 34% plus 13.5% plus 2.35%. And I got my calculator handy here, so let me do that. Let's see, 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35. And I get 83.85%. Okay. C. What percentage of kidney pairs weigh between 225 or weigh less than 225? Let me mark that first. Less than 225. Well, that'd be everything going that way. And more than 350. Where's 350 at? Here's 350. So more than that would be going like that. So for this particular problem, less than 225 is our 0.15%. Over here, greater than 350 would be the 2.35%. And 0.15%. I think that's 2.65, but let me check to make sure. 0.15 plus 2.35 plus 0.15. 2.65%. And D. D says, what percentage of kidney pairs weighs between 250 and 325? 250. Here's 250. And 325. 325 is right here. So we'll be adding together those three blocks. So we're going to have 13.5% plus 34% plus 34%. That's 68, 78, 81.5, I think. Let me plug it in my calculator just to make sure. I'm not that great at decimals. 13.5 plus 34 plus 34, 81.5. And that's the end of that problem.